Ready for the last day?
Yeah.
Luckily, it is not raining. The weather is changing drastically, therefore we have to change plan, and now instead of cycling one more day, we're gonna have to take ferry and skip the ride for the last day. Right now we are on our way to Bratislava, and from there on we're gonna take ferry. Backwind and 23 kilometers, light rain, but we got this, we got this. Hopefully light rain. And nobody on the road, and 7 o'clock, very nice.
And then there is reward in Bratislava.
Breakfast! Nice place for breakfast. Because we tried to look for some places, but we always ended up buying breakfast. Dinner, lunch, snacks at Lidl. We never went to a coffee shop. Only for some beers, but that was it.
Essentials.
Essentials. Bye.
So you just registered for the loyalty card for this coffee place, and you have a credit of 10 euros. And also, every time you go, you have 10% cash back, which means that you have money on your account. So if you come back, you can spend it again. On the boat going to Vienna. We cycled 21 kilometers in the rain and 23, and we are very, very cold. We had very nice breakfast in a great place, but I am just freezing. So I have a sleeping bag, and now we're going to Vienna. And then what we have to do? Cycle more, 21 kilometers
21.
until home. Under the rain.
Under the rain.
In the cold.
It's very cold. Cycling home. That's good.
The floods have also hit the Austrian capital, Vienna. But the
Flood
city is
alerts are
resisting
in
them
place in
much
many
better than
parts of
most.
Central
Let's take a
Europe
look at
in the wake of
massive flood.
That was the reason why I decided to cut the trip short, because it was way too dangerous. It rained too much, and instead of cycling the last day, we decided to go with a boat. And actually, it was the best decision, because there would be no chance we would be able to wild camp or even cycle in this weather. 2 days later, the whole city of Vienna and the Central Europe were completely flooded. Hundreds of people lost their homes, and it was just a disaster. And these are my real video footages from the village I lived in Vienna, and I can't believe my own eyes. Yep, that's the reason why we had to cut it short, but there will be more adventures to come very soon. And thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel, and see you next time. Bye!